Hello my friends, today I want to show you these adjustable camber arms which came to me from Poland. They are made by SilverProject. This is Polish company. I am not recommending here it to anyone, but either I am not arguing that they are bad. This is a review video and the sharing of my experience, how they will perform, will be available only after the installation, so please be patient and give me a little more time for it. I decided to replace my camber arms from the result you see here. By the way, this camber arm was removed from my car, and here is the way how dealer here in Georgia intended to improve the geometry of the camber arm to avoid some wrong camber numbers. Fuck this job, guys. I hate how this is made. They took hammer, then they hit hammer on it, and then they welded, and they said that okay, your car has a correct camber, and they charge enough money for me. Anyway, the rubbers here are good even on the 20 years old camber arm, genuine Mercedes one. Here you can see still very strong rubbers. From my previous videos you can know that, or you may know that I'm running now some Speedway Motors camber arms that are adjustable on my car. In overall I like them, but I wanted something special, something more heavy duty, and that's why I decided to go with these camber arms which are made by SilverProject. What is positive about these items? The first positive element is the main shaft. Here you can see the middle section, which is black. It is made from the steel. It is heavy duty iron shaft. Here is the magnet and you can see it. If we compare it to the Speedway Motors camber arms, there we have some cheap aluminum tube, and I did not like that aluminum very much. We also have some upgraded elements here on this item, which are once again the main shaft, this black middle section, very heavy duty. Weight of the item is very high here. Then let's move forward, and the second part I like here very much is that the heads are also made from the steel iron, and the threads inside the tube and on the heads are machined very well, so it moves freely. On the Speedway Motors camber arms the heads were stacked sometimes, and I don't like this very much. The washers are enough heavy duty here, made from stainless steel. Also the heads are made from stainless steel. The weldings are very accurate, and we have this type of the washer here which secures this nut on the position you adjusted the camber arm, and does not allow it to be loosened. This was a big issue on my Speedway Motors camber arms, where once I adjusted the camber arm length, then tightened this nut, and after some driving, some miles or kilometers, the nut was loosened. That's why I used some Loctite and thread locker, and I don't like this game, guys. I think that it is good to buy one piece camber arm, compared to gather some elements as it was on my Speedway Motors camber arms, and then receive one item, collect in overall one item. Now let's move on the heads bushings. They are made from polyurethane. The same story with the Speedway Motors ones. I will use some silicone grease when I will install them on my car to avoid some squeak. Here you can see that the polyurethane is made from the red material, but to be honest, I am not impressed how these polyurethane bushings are made. Here we have some cosmetic issues. They are made very brutally, guys, not accurate job. Hope this will not affect negatively on my plans that I want to use them on my car in the long-term condition. Let them be made ugly, but let it don't affect on the driving performance and working abilities. I cannot say anything about it, as I mentioned. Give me some time to install them on my car, and then I will share my experience. How will they perform? But in overall, I think that there is not any big tension on this part, and they will perform very good. The sleeves are made very well here, and these camber arms in overall are ready to be installed on car. This type of camber arms are suitable for 1, 2, 4, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 2, 0, 8, 2, 10, and some young timer Mercedes cars. You can check them on the SilverProject website, and you can also access the price. The prices are different regarding on the location of the buyer and shipping costs and additional fees. So I am not telling you what I paid for them. That's why you can see what it will be cost for you. Once again, I have nothing wrong with this camber arm, but if you are running some lowering springs, you'd better to replace this non-adjustable Mercedes camber arm with the adjustable ones. I'm now running Speedway Motors camber arms that are good. I have no problem with my car's camber, but I had the chance to grab the SilverProject ones, and I'd better install them and forget about them because I am not impressed at the quality which Speedway Motors camber arms offer me. You can see them on my previous videos. Just check my YouTube channel and you can compare them to each other. In overall, these camber arms are well made. They are made very heavy duty. I like them. I will install them very soon on my car and share with you my experience. How will they perform? If you like this video, please thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episodes. Goodbye, my friends.